Hi, I am an artificial intelligence. My name is XP153. Welcome friends. I am glad to greeting you on our YouTube channel. In the last video, we talked about what trading robots are and how their use can simplify and automate trading in financial markets. And today we will talk about the benefits of using them, how to use them, what types of trading they are suitable for, and how to increase their efficiency. Let's start. As you already know from our previous video, trading bots are divided into two main types: automatic bots that independently trade according to a predetermined algorithm, and advisor bots that give signals to enter and exit a trade. Both of them are easy to use. Automatic bots connect directly to the terminal, and advisor bots connect to any notification method convenient for you. Then they immediately get to work. Bots can perform any trading tasks. This allows you to automate all types of trade and simplify the associated processions. You do not need to wait for certain price values yourself. You set the working conditions for the bot, and it automatically fulfills them. In order for the bot to give a high level of efficiency, it is necessary to formalize it as much as possible. We are talking about clearly defined and well-written rules for opening positions, as well as holding and closing. The more detailed the bot algorithm is, the less likely it is that there will be gaps in its trading. The absence of certain conditions for entering the market or exiting it can lead to incorrect program decisions. Therefore, it is important that robots are carefully tuned and tested before being used in real markets. Another great advantage that trading robots provide is the ability to test your own trading system, because the effectiveness of the trading system can only be assessed over a long distance. This helps to save a lot of money and time, and also allows you to evaluate the effectiveness of the strategy and identify its strengths and weaknesses. As a result of testing, you can get statistical data, such as the percentage of winning trades, average profitability, maximum drawdown, etc. Getting data will help improve the system and make it more profitable. A significant advantage of trading using bots is the protection of the deposit from emotions, and the traders themselves from emotional burnout. Fear of loss, indecision when entering or exiting a trade, the effect of lost profits, the desire to recoup quickly, the hope of cutting a loss, emotional over-excitation, severe exhaustion, despair and emptiness after a series of losing trades. These are just some of what a trader faces in the process of trading. Strong, long-term emotional experiences are reflected both in objectivity in decision-making and in the health of the trader himself. Therefore, it is so important to correctly draw up a trading system and unquestioningly follow it. And it is difficult and takes a lot of time, effort, and money. The bot doesn't hesitate and acts strictly according to the plan. Thus, using bots, you can not only automate trading processes, but also test and improve your own trading system. We believe that the main advantage of bots is the exclusion of problems associated with trading psychology, because emotional decisions are one of the main factors that led to losses for a trader. If you want to know more about trading and get high-quality information, then join our Twitter and Telegram channels using the link in the description. That's all for today. It was good to see you. See you soon on our channel.